Welcome to Guess What It Is. This game is designed to expand and enrich your vocabulary by challenging you to guess words based on the definitions. I'm Jared, your host, and I'm currently recording this video from South Africa, although I hail from the Republic of Congo. This game starts by asking you to choose a level of difficulty. There are 4 levels to choose from: the kindergarten to grade 1, containing words from 3 to 4 letters. You got grade 2 to grade 3 with 5 to 6 letters in a word, and you got grade 4 to grade 6 with 7 to 8 letters. And at the end, you got the last level, level 4, with 7 to 12 words with 9 and more letters, making it more challenging. Once you have selected your level, the program will randomly present you with a word, meaning, or definition, along with a hint indicating whether the word is singular or plural. It's then your turn to guess the word, and then for each correct guesses, your score increases by 2. As you accumulate a certain number of guesses, you'll be prompted to advance to the next level. This progression adds an extra layer of challenge and keeps the game engaging. But keep in mind, there's something really important concerning this game. It's like you only have 3 attempts. If you exhaust all 3 attempts without guessing the word correctly, the game ends and your final score is displayed. So remember, while playing the game, you will not see your score, your final score. Every single time you guess right, then you get 2 points. And if you fail, you exhaust all your attempts, as I said, then sorry. And if you successfully reach the last level, level 4, from grade 7 to grade 12, and correctly guess a specific number of prompts, you will achieve victory and become the ultimate Guess What It Is champion. Stay sharp and persistent to conquer all levels and win the game. Not gonna be easy, but it's still possible.